Hello students, this is Shantanu sir. On the previous class, we just solved pictograph problem. So in this class, we have to solve some bar graph problem. So bar graph can be drawn horizontally or vertically, and the length of bar graph depends on the value of the observation. Bar graph are used to overcome these drawbacks of pictographs, and bar graphs use rectangles of uniform width. Now just try to understand using some example. Here is a given example using horizontal bar graph, and here is some example using this is vertical and this is horizontal bar graph. Now try to understand what is this. Here is the question: the amount spent in month by Mr. Shravan on various items is given in the bar graph. Observe the graph and answer the question. At first you have to observe this graph. So according to horizontal line, amount is spent on various item in a month, and according to this line, some observation given. So at first given petrol. So Mr. Shravan spent total petrol, and here, so this is a bar from 4,000. So Mr. Shravan spent total 4,000 for petrol. Next, vehicle maintenance. So she spent total 800 for vehicle maintenance. Next, newspaper and magazine. So in a month, Mr. Shravan total spent 500 rupees for newspaper and magazines. And for school fees, she spent here, this is the middle of 2,000 and 4,000. So it will be 3,000. So he spent total 3,000 rupees for school fees. And for rent, this is a bar graph from 12,000. So he spent total 12,000 for rent. And for food, he spent total, this is a middle between 14,000 and 16,000. So it will be 15,000. So he spent total 15,000 for food. Now just read the question. On which item did Mr. Shravan spend the most? Tell me which item is the most spent. This is the most. So this food. So first answer will be food. Understood? Next try to give question number 2. Which is the next most expensive item? Tell me which is the next most. So after food, the next most is rent. So this will be rent. Next, how much money was spent on newspaper and magazine? Tell me how much money. Where is newspaper? Here is newspaper and magazine. How much money? 500. So he spent 500 for newspaper and magazine. How much was spent on petrol and vehicle maintenance? So petrol, here is petrol and vehicle maintenance. So petrol is 4,000 and for vehicle 800. So you have to add 4,000 plus 800. That's mean 4,800 rupees. Next, what is the total monthly expenditure shown in the graph? Total monthly. So for food he spent 15,000. For rent he spent 12,000. For school fees he spent 3,000. And for newspaper 500. For vehicles 800. And for petrol 4,000. Now add them. So here is 0. Here is again 0. 8 5s are 13. Carry 1. It will be 15. So carry 1, 1, 1, 2 and 3. So 35,300. So what is the total monthly expenditure shown in graph? Total 35,300. This is our answer. So understood everyone? Now try to solve a problem from exercise number 9.4. Try to solve question number 2. Observe the bar graph given below which gives the details of the strength of a school from the year 2011 to 2017. Answer the question given with reference to the graph. So at first try to understand what is given in the bar graph. In the bar graph, number of students according to horizontal and according to vertical there is given year. So question number 1, in which year was the strength the highest? So 2011 total 12, 2012 total 13, 2013 this is a 15, 2014 18, 2015 16, 2016 it will be 10 and 2017 it will be 9. Now we have to say in which year was the strength the highest. So tell me in which year? It's 2014 is the total student 18. So this is the highest strength. Understood? Now next, how many more students joined the school in 2014 than in 2012? So in this case we have to subtract for 18 and 12. So if I subtract 18 minus 13 then we will get only 5. So 5 units, and here is given 1 unit means 500 students. So 5 unit means 5 into 500, thence mean 2500 students. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 3. In which year did the strength start decreasing? Which year? So after 14 in 2015 the strength decreased by 2. So in which year it's decreased? In 2015. And question number 4. In which 2 consecutive years is the difference is the strength is greatest? Which 2 consecutive year? Now check which consecutive year the difference is greatest. So it's 15-16. The difference 6. Understood everyone? Now you can solve all problem from 9.4 and this is your homework. Okay, bye everyone.